In this video, I'll be mounting a toilet paper dispenser or a toilet paper roll holder. Quick recap, this is what my bathroom used to look like. So you can see there's a big hole in the wall. Floor looked terrible, toilet looked terrible, pretty much everything looked terrible. I do have a video on how to patch these monster holes, and I'll put a link to that California patch video in the description. Anyway, mounting this thing up. First thing I did was put a couple marks on the wall at 26 inches in height from the floor. And then for the distance from the front of the toilet, I went with 10 inches. So the front of the toilet's about 27 inches from the wall, so I went 37 inches to the center of the toilet paper roll dispenser. So the roll will be centered at 26 inches high from the floor and centered 37 inches from the back of the wall, which should be 10 inches from the toilet. So I'll drop the level on top of this toilet paper dispenser, and then I'll take the pencil and then draw out where the two screws are going to have to go. This particular toilet paper dispenser came with drywall anchors. So first thing I got to do before installing those is drill out the drywall. Obviously you don't want to punch your drill bit through the plastic behind the drywall, but it's not necessarily critical if you do. And then just take the drywall anchors and attach them to the wall. If you get a toilet paper dispenser or roll holder that doesn't come with drywall anchors, I would definitely recommend that you use drywall anchors, unless where you're putting it has a wood stud that you can attach it to. This particular dispenser comes with little plastic cups that go on the screws, and that is so that you can conceal the screws when you finished attaching it to the wall. So nothing too special, get those little plastic cups on, and then screw the toilet paper dispenser to the wall until it is firmly attached to the wall. Overall, I think this thing attaches pretty well to the wall and feels pretty solid. I wouldn't put like 5 pounds on top of it, but not bad for a coffee cup holder toilet paper dispenser. Not that I drink coffee in the bathroom. Last thing to do is conceal the screws with the little caps that came with the toilet paper roll dispenser. Just like that, nothing special. They sort of snap into place. I actually take a bit of glue and glue them into place just so they don't pop off. I found they weren't as secure as I would want them, but now that I put a little bit of glue on them, they're good to go. Anyway, super fast, super easy. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.